All right, y'all, we're about to go in Walmart. This is Vlogmas 2, I guess. Gotta pick up a couple of things. Yeah, it is freezing cold out. Okay, I gotta get some dog food first. Cause we gotta feed the dog. Let's just sit over here. Let's see. Alright, so I found the dog food. He needs some more. He needs another bowl. Yeah, I changed his dog food to blue. And yeah, he loves it. Bad guy loves some. Not gonna get him no lamb. Might be good for him. He might like it. We also have these. They're $1.49. I want to get him some things for Christmas. I'm looking for him a sweater also. I think I'm gonna get Shady this because right now he's naked. He don't have any hair on him. I'm gonna give him that. Walmart always got some bull crap. Like really? Dorito minis, Sun minis, well Sun Chip minis, Cheeto minis. Y'all, I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, Walmart is hood. All the way around, just hood. But I know my kids they're like this. Tell me why I forgot about y'all. But I got some bleach spray. But I did. I got Shady some of these. I'm gonna put in his Christmas bag. Yeah, this was not about Shady, but I guess. Then I just need to get some wash soda. I just came here to get a few things. So La and Devin end up getting the Grinch meal. Let me see. I ain't got your face. You got it, girl. What kind of socks you got, Devin? Oh, he got the red ones. Okay. Okay. All right. So show us what y'all do with the fries. Okay, let's see, Devin. Come on. Where all your fries? Oh, they're in there. Do you better not you put them on or you might not like it?
Put some on mine. Don't put them on. Don't put them on. You might not like it. Why would you do that? It's not the.
Come on, y'all play too much.
You're supposed to put it in that little bag I told you.
What bag? Oh, shake it up. Shady, Cage.
You did not tell me the bag.
Okay, so apparently you gotta put it in. Yeah, so put it in the bag and then shake it up, Devin. It tastes like pickles? Really? Oh, wow.
It's kind of good.
Is it? Well, I said it's good, y'all.
Kinda.
Oh, my bad. She said it's kinda. Oh, it smells like pickles. Let me taste one. I like pickles. You want to try, boo? Oh, yeah, y'all. We got baby Nola here. Nola, you want to say hi?
Pick one. Wait, hold on.
Pick one.
I know. Let me have one. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. Let's see, y'all. I'm about to taste it. Can she have a nugget? All right, y'all. Welcome back to another day of vlogs. The girl is tired. I'm tired, y'all. We kind of stayed up pretty late last night and just chilling, basically. I didn't have to work yesterday evening, so I was excited about that. I know I didn't post yesterday. Well, I want to just go ahead and just record and not like label the days. I just want to it's Vlogmas, y'all. I don't want to do numbers. I just want to do Vlogmas. Today is Saturday. I'm in the midst of like tidying up the kitchen. I'm not going to even record that, but I am going to record me cleaning out my refrigerator because I'm going to either go to the grocery store either today or tomorrow. I do have to go to the laundromat today. So I think I'm going to just get like maybe some recording of that. Again, on my last video, I appreciate the ones that said they're going to support me, whatever I put out on this channel. I appreciate y'all. Also, I want to do like a small giveaway next week sometime. So I don't know what I'm going to have you guys put like down below, or I don't know. I'm going to ask the kids and maybe we'll come up with something. But so again, welcome to Vlogmas, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is a family channel that we have over here. I'm a mom of 7. y'all. So it is clean, all back together for the most part. And now it's ready for me to just go to the grocery store and add a little bit more to it. All right. All right, y'all. What the heck? Nola, don't get your hands and stuff. All right, yeah. It is later in the day, and I just got back home from the laundry bag, and I'm looking at these clothes, and I'm trying to encourage myself to finish laundry today, fold, put up, and everything. So I'm trying, y'all. So I'm gonna use y'all, if you don't mind. I'm gonna use y'all. I'm gonna use some music. I'm gonna turn it on some Christmas music, and I'm gonna fold these clothes. And y'all stay tuned to watch me. Maybe I can give y'all some motivation or something. I don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day.
Yeah, look at Shady with his sweater on. He looks so cute with that sweater on. Come here, let me take a picture. Sit down, sit. Get down, sit. Let me say sit.